Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. In the Joe and Joe Weather Show tonight, it's got an early start, so we'll be at 6 o'clock instead of the usual 7:35 p.m. Eastern Time. So 6 o'clock start, and we'll be talking about the week ahead and the long range. And in the meantime, in the ultra short range, as we take a look at the satellite loop this afternoon, we had some sunshine around this morning, but now, of course, clouds are bubbling up. And you see the effect of the upper trough to the west and southwest as these clouds develop. And there's also some shower activity with this. And we'll see on the radar as of 2:45 p.m. Eastern Time. A lot of popcorn showers have popped up in upstate New York, northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, in Connecticut, and they're moving from north to south. So don't be too surprised if you get into a shower or two this afternoon and into this evening. I think the further south you are, if you're in southern New Jersey, down into Maryland, Delaware, and northern Virginia, you probably won't see too much. You could also see some scattered showers in parts of Ohio, down through the central and southern Appalachians. So this is all due to the instability with that upper trough. And we don't have any rain to worry about until we get to, you, you guess it, the weekend, Friday night into Saturday morning, I think. And we're looking at 3/4 of an inch to an inch, maybe even some amounts approaching an inch and a half, not out of the question, per the Weather Prediction Center, as we get the next cold front. And this is going to have a wave on it that's going to move northward as the front approaches. So there'll be some showery rains and maybe a rumble or two of thunder. That'll be for Friday night into Saturday morning. And after that, we should see things sort of improve, but it's going to be a process. Meantime, as we take a look at the latest models, we are looking at the GFS with this, again, the old storm system between Nova Scotia and Newfoundland, the trailing trough. If you look at how the showers are accessed here, they go northeast to southwest, scattered around, nothing widespread, and that will diminish once we get past sunset. Tuesday, the trough starts to shift a little bit further to the east, and while the model is not really showing much in the way of pop-up showers, I got to throw them in again tomorrow, although I think they'll be fewer than today, and maybe we'll have more sun and less in the way of self-destruction with regards to clouds developing, and temperatures are going to be mainly in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Wednesday and Thursday uh, will be nice days. You know, we've had this streak that we're in where we've seen rain for the last 6 weekends in a row on either one or both of the weekend days, and looks like this weekend will make it seven. But for some reason, Wednesdays have turned out to be pretty decent lately. We've had a string of nice weather Wednesdays and nice weather Thursdays, and that's what's going to happen here. We should poke our heads into the 60s on Wednesday, and with more of a southwest wind on Thursday, probably middle to maybe even a few upper 60s. And then you see the cold front approaching with showers to the west on Friday, and then notice there's a low off the near the North Carolina coast that's going to shoot northward with some showers and some heavier rain. The heaviest rains will probably go out offshore, but showers nonetheless will move up the coast during Friday afternoon and evening. Then the front swings in from the west with some showers Friday night into Saturday morning. I think maybe by Saturday afternoon, most of the rain should be done with, and then we'll be dealing with this strengthening low in northern New England, which means that Sunday is going to be a windy and chilly day. The possibility that there could be some showers around maybe Saturday night into Sunday morning, and maybe some instability showers during the day on Sunday. But it'll probably also be another day of self-destructive sunshine. Temperatures will most likely during the daytime on Sunday, I'm thinking not much higher than the low to mid 50s, and we'll probably see lows in the 30s and 40s Sunday night into Monday morning. A chilly start to next week. That'll probably carry us into Wednesday when we'll start to warm up a bit. The trough is going to shift to the west, so once that system goes by on Sunday, we may not see rain again until sometime around Halloween, perhaps. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But maybe next weekend will be the last, this coming weekend will be the last weekend of this streak. And then we can finally have some decent weather on a weekend for the last weekend of the month of October. We're going to talk short, medium, and long range tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show. And again, a reminder, it's an early start, 6 o'clock Eastern Time instead of 7:35. So we'll see you then.